doing my eyebrows. I did them first. I still honestly didn't decide if I'm gonna go out or not. So yeah, but I love doing my eyebrows with the P. Louise base because then if I like don't wear eyeshadow, I could just like blend it into my face. And then I started using this brush. I've been influenced the brightening concealer brush from Real Techniques. I usually don't do my eyebrows like this anymore. Well, not the sides. I usually just do the bottoms, if that. But you know, and if I don't go out, then I'll just take pictures. Cause it's like if I do go out, I'm starting to get ready really early. Also, it really stresses me out to just be outside. Um, yeah, but I just kind of want to be around people my own age. You know, I feel like I've been around family a lot, and I don't really have anyone that's my age group in my family like that. So, all right, we did the eyebrows. The eyebrows are looking eyebrowish. um, yeah, I don't think I realized that I have like thick eyebrows because I didn't have thick eyebrows for a long time. Okay, what am I gonna do next? Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna use this serum on my eyes. I already have skincare, but I'm gonna use this serum just so that my eyes don't look dry. And then just put a year or two. And then I think I'm gonna do glowing. Honestly, I think I have two outfits that I'm gonna wear. They're kind of matchy. Just like this matching set, long sleeve, kind of crop top. I know this doesn't match my skin anymore, but the foundation that I'm about to use will match, so it doesn't matter. And then, yeah, another one, which is like cargo pants, which I've been feeling really comfortable in cargo pants, and then like a bodysuit. Or maybe I'll just do a bodysuit with jeans. It's like, I'm saying that I don't feel like where I grew up is conducive for people that are my age. I think I'm gonna do my makeup kind of like how I did it last time. Not that you guys saw it, but I just got this Say foundation and it's very hydrating and I liked it. I used it like on my face. I didn't use foundation and it's so good. It's so good. It sets really nicely with the one size powder that I got. But yeah, it's annoying to like not live in a city where things happen. And now I understand why people move. Content creators talk about like them moving to California for like opportunities and stuff because you know community and all that. I understand that, but in another note, like not feeling left out like in your prime. Don't really like that word, but feeling like yeah, I feel like where I live is a place to raise a family, and that's not what I'm trying to do right now.